To remove your left arrow key, you're going to take your tool, spudger, toothpick, paperclip, whatever you're using, place it underneath the bottom of it. Now take your finger and hold the top part of that key right there. And now slowly pry it back, and it should just snap right off. And set that aside. And now you're going to take your tool and put it on top of the rubber cup, but underneath the plastic hinge. Oh look, and that just snapped right off. Normally you kind of have to pry it back a little bit, but that just came right off. So now you can take your fingers, just grab it. It's a pretty small little piece. Now you're going to get your replacement hinge. And you're going to notice you have a continuous piece on top. And then on the bottom, it's got two little slits there where it's separate. So that's the orientation that we want to drop it into this keyhole, is the continuous piece on the top. So grab that and you just kind of drop it in the hole. It's kind of small. And now that it's in place, just take your finger and push down on it until it snaps a couple times, or snaps in place. That side, the right side. And let's get the left side in. There we go. And now that you've installed your bracket, take your replacement left arrow key and just put it right on top there. And now to get that installed, you're just going to push down on it until it clicks in place. You might have to wiggle your finger around, and you've installed your left arrow.
Mac.
And keys.